Tesla's Model 3 includes a built-in Dashcam feature that uses the car's existing cameras to record footage. This comprehensive guide will walk you through setup, usage, and accessing your recordings. The Dashcam leverages the vehicle's front, rear, and side cameras without needing additional hardware. As of January 2026, this feature is standard across all Model 3 trims, including standard range, long range, and performance models. Recent updates provide improved video quality up to 1080p at 30 frames per second, plus seamless integration with Sentry mode for continuous monitoring. This section introduces the fundamentals of Tesla's Dashcam system. To use the Dashcam, you'll need a compatible USB drive. A USB 3.0 or higher drive with a capacity of 32 GB to 256 GB is recommended. Avoid using NTFS formatted drives as they are unsupported. For optimal performance, consider Tesla's certified drives like the SanDisk Extreme or Samsung Fit. Using the correct drive will prevent errors like USB drive unreadable. Once your USB drive is properly formatted, insert it into the USB port located in the Model 3's center console below the touchscreen. The vehicle will automatically recognize the drive. Next, navigate to the Controls menu on the touchscreen, then select Service, and finally Dashcam to access the Dashcam settings. In the Dashcam menu, enable the feature. Choose Recent Clips to automatically save the last 10 minutes before an event is triggered, or select All Clips for continuous loop recording that overwrites older footage. The Tesla Model 3 Dashcam offers flexible recording modes. It automatically starts recording when triggered by specific events, ensuring important moments are captured without manual intervention. Automatic recording is triggered by sudden braking with force greater than 1 g, which indicates a significant deceleration event. Recording also activates during collisions, capturing footage of impact events for safety and insurance purposes. Additionally, when Sentry mode detects motion around the vehicle, it triggers recording to monitor the surroundings continuously. You can also manually start recording at any time by pressing the Dashcam button on the vehicle's touchscreen. All recorded videos are automatically time-stamped and saved in MP4 format, making them easy to review and organize later. Looking ahead to future trends, Tesla's Dashcam will see increased integration with the vehicle's ecosystem. Footage could be linked to full self-driving supervised mode, where AI analyzes recordings to enhance autonomous driving capabilities. One major update will be cloud-based storage options. This would allow real-time uploads of Dashcam footage to Tesla servers, providing off-site backup and reducing the need for physical USB drives. Finally, AI enhancements will enable automatic incident detection, sending alerts to the Tesla mobile app and potentially improving safety features across the fleet.